Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNAP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe we're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, but it's been a while, and given Snapchat is starting to kind of turn things around, want to get some things updated from the technical perspective as we head into the new week. So let's first map out some levels of support, then we can talk resistance. The ideal level of support next week, when you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay above $8.80. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $8.80, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 880 would be great. However, from the big picture and grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, party stop today up there at right around $9.20. So that'll be the initial level, but I do want to go back on the charts history a little. Oh, wow. So here are all those, like I said, I mentioned I've done in the past. That's where all these lines down here are coming from. So let me just get these out of the way as they're totally not relevant anymore. But as far as resistance levels, like I said, $9.20. And then keep an eye on the pink line up there. That is the famous 200-day simple moving average. Even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, that level does tend to act as resistance. Not saying it can't be broken or anything like that. But yeah, historically speaking, usually the price really needed to bring its A game if it's, going to be able to fight above that level and then stay up above it. Right now, it's valued at $9.47. But remember, that is a moving average, so that value will change next week and move around a little bit. But all in all, that is definitely going to be the overarching level of resistance going forward. But first, the bulls got to fight through that $9.20 mark. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, and it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.